Margaret Isobel Fulton OAM was a Scottish-born Australian food and cooking writer, journalist, author and commentator. She was the first of this genre of writers in Australia. Fulton's early recipes encouraged Australians to alter their traditional staple of meat and 3 vegetables and to be creative with food. She encouraged international cuisine from places such as Spain, Italy, India, and China. As the cookery editor of the Woman's Day magazine, she brought these into Australian homes through her articles. Although she did some television work, Fulton mainly concentrated on writing because she felt it was her higher talent. Fulton was born in Nairn in the Scottish Highlands on 6 October 1924. When she was 3, her parents emigrated to Australia, settling in Glen Innes, New South Wales. She was a Girl Guide as a child and leader of the Magpie Patrol in Glen Innes. In her time as a guide, she learned to cook over a campfire. She began as a cooking teacher at the Overseas Corporation in 1947 and was later promoted to sales manager. Thank you for watching. Like and subscribe if you would like to view more of our videos. Have a nice day.